Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb with Red Racing Industries. In this episode, we're hitting episode 15 of racing every single track and every single car in Gran Turismo 7. In this episode, we're back and we're going to Colorado Springs. Now, I've still got our same setup from the last episode, so we'll have to change tires from the snow into whatever Colorado Springs requires. I don't even know yet. Anyway, let's go ahead and dive right in. Here we are, hopping in our rig, so I've got everything recording. Let's go ahead, dive right in, and get this episode started. So we're moving over. Once again, there's haven't been really any practice before this episode. So we're going to be going over to Colorado Springs. Okay, so we've got a dirt track. Let's see if it'll let me. So we've got two tracks, dusk. Okay, we got to go all the way back, put our dirt tires on. At least we purchased them last episode, so that's good. Garage. Now, I will say, these snow tires make the car look really cool. Look at that. I love the way it looks. Let's go ahead and change into our dirt tires, see what that looks like. Oh, I backed out too quickly. Hang on, I want to see what that looks like. Oh. It looks okay. Okay. Anyway, we'll head over to World Circuits. Now, I am trying to get enough credits to achieve this last weekday because I got to get to here. Now, I've got it ends tomorrow, it looks like. Or, what is today? Today's the 5th. Yeah, today's 5th. So it ends tomorrow, it looks like, when I'm recording this. So hopefully I can get enough credits in time. Oh, if I can get, there we go. Colorado Springs, let's head over, go Lake and Dusk, and let's head for our 2-lap run at Colorado Springs. I haven't done this in Type R either. I think I have truck, yeah, I've done this in spring, but that was it. So we're gonna do our best. I do love, kicking it up, getting that dirt loose, just for fun. But I don't know if I'd want to do this in real life because, oh goodness, it is terrifying. But once again, I've not tried it. I've not had extensive experience with it, so I don't actually. There we go. Oh. I gotta say, the snow was a lot of fun, and kicking up the rear end on this is also a lot of fun, even though it's quote-unquote front-wheel drive. There we go. Well, at least I would love to test it, but Gran Turismo doesn't allow you to test other tires on this dirt track. That'd be kind of cool. Pointless, to say the least, but cool. Passing the Mazda RX-5. Yeah, that was a car. Oh, good. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, there we go. Come on. Let's get around this track. There we go. So hopefully, second lap, we don't run into the wall. Now that we have no one to get in our way, no traffic. Okay, lap one down. Okay, oh, and hit the wall. I always do that. I'm so bad at that. That wall right there. Okay, come on. Go. And it's only gonna, take practice. Getting better. I just don't do a lot of this off-roading. It is a lot of fun. Just not the direction I'm trying to achieve with the whole sim racing thing. Come on. We're booking it around the track a little bit. No other accidents so far, so good. Keep it steady. There we go. Okay. Around. Go. Perfect. Oh. Stay on the track. Well, yes, track, not road, because there's no road. Yeah, I love this Type R. It just does amazing overall. I mean, we've done a legit track rentable again. That is my fault, not the most. But we've done legit track, we've done dirt, we've done snow, well, snow then dirt up to this point. And overall, it performs great, except for my driving ability in the snow and dirt. Because you have to anticipate the loss of traction. There we go. Okay. Now that we've finished lap 2 just about. Nice 12-second lead. Once again on easy, but this is a little experience. We began to Type R there. But anyway, that is episode 15 of racing every single track and every single car in Gran Turismo 7. Now for the next video, stay tuned. I can't remember where we're going yet, but we're going there next. Other than that, I'll see y'all next time.